This is LENOVO Tab M9, and today I will show how you can scan a document into a PDF file on this device. The first step that you need to take is to launch the Google Drive app. It should be pre-installed on your tablet, unless you have earlier uninstalled it manually. If you did, just, download or install it from the Google Play Store for free. Then tap at this plus icon over there, choose the scan option, provide the Google Drive app with the camera permission or camera access, and then what you gotta do is to take a photo of your document. Then once the photo was successfully taken, you will be forwarded to the next step, that is the editing interface, so you can change the scan's color scheme, rotate it like that, and frame the part of the original photo that you would like to be included into the final result. So as you could have noticed, the system or the automatic crop was way off, so I'll just manually adjust it to appear the way I'm satisfied with it. Then hit the save button, save once again, give it a few seconds to be uploaded to Google Drive, and here's the result. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.